So hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about the arrival card here in Sri Lanka and whether or not you will be needing it for your next trip to this beautiful country. Well, let me just first tell you about this, that today is 30th of August 2025 and I've just finished off my trip to Sri Lanka. It was a very small trip and I'm sitting at the Colombo airport itself, so I can give you the best information about what are the documents that is needed at least till date. And let me just give you an idea about the arrival card and the ETA process here. First of all, this arrival card and ETA started after Sri Lanka decided to give visa-free service to India and some other countries as well. But at least till date, I haven't found people who have traveled to this beautiful country without an arrival card. So in the internet it is still there that you need to apply an arrival card before or maybe after you get down at the Colombo International Airport. But for me they didn't check anything, and for all other passengers as well who were in the queue along with me during the immigration and everything, they didn't check anything regarding the arrival card. And also you don't need to fill an arrival card after you reach Sri Lanka from India. And ETA is something which you need to carry. It is a mandatory thing along with the flight tickets and the return flight tickets. These are the two documents they might check, but sometimes they might not even check the ETA as well. But you need to keep an ETA before you start your flights from your desired location to Sri Lanka. So I hope you guys found the video informative. It was short, but hopefully I've covered the major points that is needed. So if you are planning a trip to Sri Lanka, then remember that arrival cards are not needed to be filled online and also offline as well at the airport here in Colombo. You just need your ETA and your return flight tickets, and that is it. And if you have a domestic connecting flight in India, do carry your Aadhaar card as well, because there are times they might check that as well along with your flight tickets. So see you all in the next video. If you have any queries related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. And the series of video on Sri Lanka is going to come up very soon, so don't miss that. It's going to be a playlist that will be full of fun, adventure and historical places of this beautiful country, or India's closest neighbor, and also the sweetest one as well. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you guys on the next video.